Today I'm excited to talk about a fantastic kitchen appliance. The Professional Series Stainless Steel Pizza Oven and Frozen Snack Baker. It's perfect for kitchens, dorm rooms, camping trips, cabins, tailgating parties, and more. We have had ours for quite a while, and here we are using it at the cabin we go to that only has very modest cooking options. This highly regarded oven has a lot to offer. Number one, crafted with a durable stainless steel body, this oven is designed to blend seamlessly with modern kitchens. Plus, its cool touch handle ensures safety without compromising on style. Number two, offering quick and efficient cooking, you can cook up to a 12-inch pizza in as little as 8 to 10 minutes. With a user-friendly 30-minute timer, you'll be reminded when your food is ready, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Number three, it's small enough that you can bring it with you when you are away from home. Number four, while most people will just use it for pizzas, this oven is great for baking quesadillas, cookies, and other snacks. Number five, thanks to its removable pull-out crumb tray and stainless steel exterior, cleaning up is always quick and easy. Number six, the oven heats up to 430 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, using top and bottom heating elements to help give you an even bake every time. Here are a few things to keep in mind before buying. First, this oven can take up significant space, so make sure to check the dimensions, which are approximately 20.5 inches by 18 inches by 9 inches high, to ensure it fits your countertop. Second, it can cook pizzas up to 12 inches in diameter, but it is not a good choice for baking rising dough crust pizzas. Third, it does not have a temperature selection dial, which might limit precise control for some recipes. You can find ovens with adjustable temperature settings, but they will typically be significantly more expensive. However, this has never been a problem for me with this oven. After cooking a type or brand of pizza one time, I know how long it will take in the future. Here are a few cooking tips. Number one, the baking time for most pizzas is between 8 to 12 minutes, depending on crust size, toppings, and personal taste preferences. Number two, the first time baking a type of pizza in the oven, plan on checking the pizza midway through baking. This way, you can adjust the time and rotate the pizza if necessary to ensure it's done to your liking. Overall, the Professional Series Stainless Steel Pizza Oven and Frozen Snack Baker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its efficient cooking, easy cleanup, and sleek portable design, this oven is a great value. I hope this video has helped.